Welcome to this fully accredited certification program. This program is to help individuals who want to learn for personal or professional reasons. This concise program is designed keeping in mind that you may not have any prior knowledge about it and you still want to learn despite your busy schedule. So we have tried to avoid jargons as much as possible and have simplified concepts and the terminologies for you. This program is accredited and a personalized certification is provided by Virtued Academy International, an autonomous institute under the Virtued Society, incorporated under the Act 21, 1860 of the Government of UP, India. The validity and utility of the training is conditionally in conformity with the Constitution of India and laws of the land under Article 19(1)(g). Virtued Academy International provides continuing education for the individuals interested in self-development, and the students may contact the association for registration and relevant local authorities for the scope of practice.